When I'm editing a video, I have a hard rule that I will never spend more than 10 minutes figuring out how to add a special effect. Why? Because most of these effects last a grand total of 10 seconds or less in my video. So ultimately, they're not worth spending tons of time trying to engineer. Now, sometimes this works in my favor, and in less than 10 minutes of hitting pause and rewind on YouTube tutorials, I figured out how to do something as simple as draw a red box around text. But more times than not, I end up defeated. Now, this is where video presets and templates have come in really handy for me. They have in fact transformed my workflow. Not only do I make video effects faster, but they end up looking way more professional. Doesn't that look so much better than my DIY version? Now, there are a bunch of places online to get video presets and templates, but my favorite is Motion Array because they've got even more stuff, which I'll talk about later on in this video. I've actually been using Motion Array for a while. Their macros are how I get these split screen effects for my product reviews, and also how I animate videos in my travel vlogs. These are short effects that I used to do painstakingly by hand, every single time I needed them. But now it's as simple as drag and drop, and customizing some parameters, and boom, I've got what I need. Now within Motion Array, there are a lot of media assets here, like video templates and presets, and they're all compatible with most major video editing programs, like Final Cut, Adobe Premiere, and my program of choice, DaVinci Resolve. The video templates are cool if you want to do something super stylized. I see most of these working as ads because you could easily use them for more than casual social media content. But for my travel vlogs and tech tutorials, I mostly stick to the presets because they add small visual effects to my videos. You can click on a preset to get more info, and if you like what you see, you just download it. Installation is super easy, but it can take some maneuvering to figure out exactly which folder on your computer to install them. Then you just start up your video editing program and drag and drop the preset. Now, besides templates and presets, Motion Array also has more than 10,000 motion graphics, such as illustrations, icons, and templates. These can be used to create backgrounds or represent ideas visually. The templates are especially cool because they're pre-designed and so simple to customize. There are tons of graphics that would work from everything from a business presentation with statistics and numbers to a casual social media blast. Now, the next 5 Motion Array sections are ones that I'm pretty stoked for, because they're stock media assets. You get access to stock video footage in case you want to add a scene for fun, or you forgot to film a key piece of somewhat generic content. There's also tons of stock music of all kinds of genres and styles, and also stock sound effects. Using all of these stock pieces so far, I can build on a general scene like this coffee shop by adding sound effects. And then adding music. See how it completely transforms the scene? And I never once had to touch my camera. Finally, Motion Array has graphics and stock photos. Now, I don't use these much in my videos because they're static pieces of media, but you can get creative with them by adding the Ken Burns effect to add some animation. And if you want to add a photo collage or background to your video using this Motion Array template, you might need some photos to supplement, and that's where these stock photos could come in handy. But one of the best parts about Motion Array is the free content that they let you download. In each category, you can click on the free assets filter and use any of the results. A lot of these are actually pretty handy, like the rewind sound effects from the hip-hop sounds, or the tiny whoosh. Motion Array also has a great referral program where you and a friend can get 2 extra months free. But speaking of that, Motion Array does cost money if you want access to all of the media assets. It can be as low as $19.99 a month if you get the annual plan, or $29.99 a month if you're going month to month. This includes unlimited downloads that you're licensed to use anywhere. So if you need a ton of media assets, including templates and presets, to speed up your workflow, plus stock photos, videos, music, and graphics, then this is a really great deal. It's certainly more affordable than paying for each one of these services independently. So if you guys like what you hear so far and you want to give Motion Array a try, please use my link down below to sign up. You will get $50 off of a 1-year subscription. And if you're a video creator, then I guarantee you that using templates and presets in particular will really speed up your workflow. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.